Yo, yo, yo. Alright. Let's get it. ASMR. Alright, anyways. Yo. So, we have trades that I took. AM trades that were potential. What am I looking at? So, 9:30. Alright, boom. So I did not trade AM session. I only traded PM session. Mainly because I just didn't wake up. Pretty sad, bro. But alright, so this is what happened. This is how I view everything. So I see that we're in a downtrend. We're in a sell model, and on the bigger time frame, I think this is the draw. So I'm still bearish on the higher time frame until this draw gets hit. So yeah, I'm not looking for, not that I'm not looking for longs, but on a higher time frame, my mindset is just bearish. So taking lower time frame trades, it would be in my favor to take shorts instead of longs. Doesn't mean I have to, just be another confluence to add. Alright, anyways, so AM trades, what could we have taken here? So there's really no reason for us to go higher here. Filled in all these imbalances. So what would I be looking for? In this 15 minute. And boom, we came down, came back up, swept all these highs, and then this place down, came up, candlesticks. These bearish candlesticks are very strong, so that tells me a lot. So yeah, we came back down. Where do I think I would have entered in? Oh, we created some equal highs here, but since we're in a sell model, that's not the main draw, even though that could be a strong draw. But I would want to wait until the model actually forms, and then like boom, like right here, like even this is good, like right here would have been good. See that we're heading down, had a big displacement down right here, broke these two, swept these highs, we're in a gap. Yeah, this is like a plus trade right here. I probably would have waited for more structure to form though. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Yeah, so this is not bad. Could go like to these equal lows or something. It's not a bad trade right there. Well, it's a really good trade actually. But yeah, the main thing I would just be looking for is a displacement downwards. So once we get that displacement, then that's when I would like, like I feel like this displacement here would have told me way more than just this, because this just looks like this could be a retracement, this should just be boom, then we're heading higher. But this, once it does it again, and then smaller candlesticks bullish, then again, that'll tell me way more. So yeah, I think I actually would have entered in like right here. This would have been like a really good entry. Stop above here. You can literally go wherever you want down here. So yeah, that's a beautiful entry right there. Other than that, even here you could enter in this 15-minute gap right here. Yeah, man, this is just good price action right here. Alright, so since I wasn't awake for AM session, I traded PM. This is what I saw for PM session. So I went 1-1, or I'm sorry, 1-for-2. I took a loss and I took a dub, and this is what I was looking at. So my external draw was these equal lows, so I definitely wanted those to get hit. We had a 15-minute imbalance right here and also right here. So first what I did was I took a short, reaching for those lows right here, and then I got demolished. I took it on this gap right here, boom, got demolished. So there's a couple reasons why this was a bad trade. First reason was it wasn't a displacement. We're currently in a buy model on the 1 minute. This didn't displace down, it just got one candlestick and then broke and then just came back up. We weren't in a gap. We weren't in no sort of gap or any place where price would want to reject. Oh, actually no, I'm tripping. We were in this 5 minute. Okay, yeah. So this trade wasn't bad, only because the bias was on our side and we tapped into this gap. Yeah, we literally just tapped into it, broke back down, and then the thing is we didn't have enough displacement, and nothing was really telling me this is the time to go down. But it wasn't a bad trade though. I'm not mad that I took it, just it wasn't a good trade, and I should have been more patient and waited till price wanted to go down. I feel like the main reason I took it is because the lows were right here, and like I was just thinking it's gonna go hit it and then it's gonna go up. There's no reason for it to go higher, but it did go higher. So next trade, what did I take? So now I see that we're in a buy model, and my mindset is that it's gonna hit this gap, this fair value gap, no matter what. That's what I'm thinking. And the candlesticks for the bearish are very small, and then we get like very strong bullish sticks. So I took this gap right here. We had a very big displacement up above this gap. This tells me, plus we're in a buy model, and my draw is the 15-minute gap, which I think is for sure gonna get tapped into because of the momentum we're getting upwards on the bullish candlesticks, plus we're in a buy model on the 1 minute. But I will say that this trade is not a good trade. It's not a bad trade, but it's not a good trade because I in a way did break my rules, and I'm not too happy that I took this trade. Even though I won it, it's not about winning it, it's just about taking good trades, and this trade was not that good, and I don't really want to take this trade again. I don't want to take any sort of trade, because first of all, we have very bearish on the bigger time frame, and then we have equal lows that we're obviously drawing towards. But the only reason I took the trade was because of this draw, which isn't even like guaranteed to hit. I just thought it was for sure gonna hit, and the potential in the candlesticks. So I think I just got lucky there. I'm not taking that trade ever again, and yeah, I mean, obviously it worked out, but it's not really a trade I want to take again. We didn't have any gap, we didn't have any liquidity, we swept down here. It was just kind of me trusting the momentum of the candle pushing us into this gap. We weren't rejecting off of anything on the higher time frame. We were just, in reality, I shouldn't have taken any trades here. Like I shouldn't have taken any trades in the PM session, so just need to note that down. And I mean, I'm not mad that I took the trade, but I just don't want to take. I just don't want to break my rules again, taking another trade like that. But yeah. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's time to backtest. So yeah, what ended up happening though is I was right about the 15-minute draw. My mindset was it's gonna at least come here and then reject down, and I was just kind of a trade that I should have taken. Well, I mean it was 3 o'clock, so not should have, but I'm saying a trade that would be better regardless of the time. Like forget about the time. It would have been something in here. Once we tap into this 15-minute, and then we get displacement down, all the like this would have been a nice trade. This would have been a nice trade right here. Boom. But yeah, other than that, that's it. 2 bad trades taken. Or honestly, this is the first trade I took was low-key a better trade than the one I actually won. So yeah, I think the first trade I took, which was a loss, is better than the trade I took, which was a win. Because I mean, we did have these lows right here. I was expecting it to just boom come down, even though they're both bad trades. But alright, anyways, done.